If you want to use a secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down and we need to choose Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and find more security settings, and then you should be able to find the secure folder. So let's go ahead and choose it. We can press Continue. We need to grant permissions, and then we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. Once the secure folder is created, you can choose the password type that you want to use for the secure folder. And you can also use biometrics as well. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple PIN code. And if you enter an easy to guess password, then of course you will see this information, and you can either change the PIN to something more complicated or password in general, or you can use the password anyway. And we need to enter our password twice in order to confirm our choice. And also you can use a Samsung account in order to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. So if you want to, you can press allow. If not, then just press don't allow. And then press OK. And let's go next. And you should be able to find your secure folder over here. It should be immediately opened. What I recommend you to do is go to these three dots over here on the right side in order to find all of these options that are quite crucial to know about. There's also settings where you can, for example, change the auto lock secure folder to each time I leave an app, so you don't have to manually lock the secure folder by itself, and so on and so forth. So be sure to check that out. If you want to add an app, then we have this plus button here, and you can get an app that you already have installed, or you can try to get an app from the Play Store or Galaxy Store. And the secure folder can be found in the app drawer by default, so we can find it over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.